Wait, before we start, let me ask you one question. Do you know how to describe your morning in English? Not just I wake up. I mean, really describe it. The alarm, the coffee, the rush out the door.
Because in the next few minutes, you are going to learn exactly that. Real phrases, real words, the English that people actually use every single day.
And stay until the end because we are going to ask you a question and I really want to read your answer in the comments.
So don't skip this one. Let's go.
Floating topic bubbles.
Grammar, fluency, speaking, listening.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English with Learn, the podcast where every conversation is also an English lesson. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hi everyone. How are you feeling today, Sophie?
Honestly, Liam, I feel great today
Great. Why great?
because I actually woke up before my alarm this morning. No snooze button, just awake.
Wow, that never happens to me. My alarm rings, I hit snooze, and then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Do you know this word, everyone? Snooze. When you press snooze, you stop the alarm for a few extra minutes and go back to sleep.
And then you are late for everything.
Exactly. And that brings us to today's topic.
Being late.
No, Liam, daily routines.
Ah, routines. Okay, so what exactly is a routine?
A routine is simply the things you do every day, usually in the same order. For example, I wake up, I stretch, I make tea. That's part of my morning routine.
So a routine is like a habit, but it happens every single day.
Exactly. And everyone has one. Even you, Liam, with your 5 snoozes.
Hey, that is still a routine, a very reliable one.
Before we continue, one small favor. If you're enjoying this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe to Speak English with Learn, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. It really helps our channel grow.
We read every comment, so don't be shy.
Okay, let's talk about a normal day starting from the morning. Liam, after you finally get out of bed, what's the first thing you do?
I get out of bed, slowly, and I go straight to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Wash your face, brush your teeth. Those are the basics. Almost everyone does this.
Then, coffee. Always coffee.
I actually do something before coffee.
Before coffee? What could possibly come before coffee?
I open the curtains and let in some natural light. It helps my body wake up naturally.
Interesting. For me, only coffee wakes me up. Natural light does nothing.
Different routines, both okay. What about breakfast? Do you eat something?
Sometimes, if I have time, I grab a banana and some toast.
Toast and a banana. Quick and easy. I usually eat oatmeal with berries.
That sounds healthy. Mine sounds like a snack disguised as breakfast.
And after breakfast, you get ready?
Yes, I take a quick shower, then comes my biggest struggle of the day.
Which is?
Choosing clothes. I open my closet, look inside, and think, I have nothing to wear, even though it's completely full.
I have a tip for that actually. Pick your outfit the night before. That way, in the morning, you don't have to think. You doctors.
The night before? That's genius. Why didn't I think of that?
It saves so much time and stress. Try it tonight.
I will. Okay, now I'm dressed. Time to head to work. How do you get there, Sophie?
I commute by bike. Do you know the word commute? It means traveling from your home to your workplace regularly.
I commute by subway. It's usually packed with people.
What do you do in your?
I put in my earbuds and listen to a podcast, like this one.
Speak English with Learn on the subway. I love that. My booking ride is about 15 minutes and it actually wakes me up better than coffee does.
15 minutes on a bike sounds tiring, but also kind of peaceful.
It is. Peaceful means calm and quiet with no stress. My boxing ride is peaceful. Yours expressions is not.
True, but the podcast help.
Once you arrive at the office, what's the first thing you do?
I make a coffee, my second one of the day.
Second already? Then what?
I check my emails and plan my tasks for the day.
Same here. I read through my inbox first, then organize my to-do list. Tasks means the jobs or work I need to complete.
I always have too many tasks and not enough hours.
I understand that completely. What about lunch? Do you bring food or buy it?
I buy it, usually a sandwich near the office. I never have time to prepare food in the morning.
I actually prepare my lunch the night before, along with my clothes.
Both. You really do everything the night before.
It saves time and money. Buying lunch every day gets expensive.
That's very true. Do you eat with your co-workers?
Usually, yes. We sit together, talk, and laugh a little. It's a nice break from work.
A lunch break is important. Your mind needs rest too, not just your stomach.
Exactly. Now, tell me, how do you feel around 3 in the afternoon?
Oh, 3 o'clock is dangerous. My eyes get heavy and I stare at my screen thinking, I need a nap.
That's a very common feeling. I get the same thing. My energy just drops.
What do you do about it?
I drink green tea and eat a small snack, like almonds or an apple. A snack is just a small amount of food, not a full meal.
I usually have another coffee and a cookie.
Liam, how many coffees is that by 3 o'clock?
3, maybe 4, but it works.
Try green tea tomorrow after your 4th coffee.
One step at a time, Sophie.
After work, how do you usually feel?
Exhausted, completely ready to go home.
Same. The best moment of my day is opening my front door.
Totally agree. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
I take off my shoes and change into comfortable clothes immediately.
Yes, no more work clothes. Just a soft t-shirt and sweatpants.
Then I sit on the couch and do absolutely nothing for 10 minutes.
Just sit. I do the same thing. My brain needs to shut off for a bit.
After that, dinner. Do you cook?
I try, but I'm not very good at it. Last week I made rice and it turned out more like porridge.
Porridge rice? What happened?
I left it on the stove too long and forgot to check the water.
Rice porridge. That's creative, Liam.
My cooking is always an adventure. What about you?
I actually enjoy cooking in the evening. I chop vegetables, put on some music, and make a simple stir-fry or soup.
Chopping? You mean cutting?
Yes, chopping means cutting food into small pieces. I chop onions, carrots, peppers.
I chop very badly. Maybe I should just order food and let you chop.
Deal. After dinner, what do you usually do?
I watch an episode or two of a show, usually comedy or action.
I like a good comedy after a long day. Laughing really helps you relax.
Relax means to let go of stress and feel calm and comfortable.
Exactly. I usually read for about 20 minutes before bed.
I try to read too, but I fall asleep after one page.
That just means the book is doing its job. What time do you go to sleep?
Honestly, close to midnight. One more episode, then one more, then one more.
I go to bed around 10:30 and definitely a morning person.
I'm the opposite, an evening person. I come alive at night, not in the morning.
Do you check your phone before sleeping?
Guilty. I scroll through social media for what I think is 10 minutes, but it's usually closer to an hour.
That blue light from your phone actually tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime.
So my brain thinks it's noon at midnight.
Pretty much. Try putting your phone away 30 minutes before bed. Just 30 minutes.
I can try that tonight.
Your brain will thank you tomorrow.
All right, let's quickly review everything we talked about today.
In the morning, we wake up, wash our face, brush our teeth, and have breakfast and coffee.
Then we get dressed and commute to work. Liam by subway, me by bike.
At work, we check emails, handle our tasks, and take a lunch break.
In the afternoon, our energy drops around 3, so we have a small snack, tea or coffee.
After work, we go home, change clothes, relax, cook dinner, watch something, read a little, and then sleep.
Morning people like me sleep early. Evening people like Liam stay up late. And both are completely normal.
The important thing is knowing your own rhythm and building a routine that actually works for you.
Well said, Liam.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English with Learn.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English.
And here is today's question for you. Are you a morning person or an evening person? Write your answer in English in the comments below, along with one thing you do every single day.
We would genuinely love to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. And don't forget, choose your clothes the night before.